Lake Tahoe, you're looking beautiful. Take care of your wait staff. They're taking great care of you. Hear me now. Touch me, babe. Can't you see that I am not afraid? What was the promise that you made? Lake Tahoe, why won't you tell me what she said? What was that promise that you made? Come on now. You are beautiful. Now I'm gonna love you till the heavens stop the rain. I'm gonna love you till the stars fall from the sky for you and I. That's you and me, Lake Tahoe. We're gonna do this thing again. Hope you're all ready for it. I'm ready. Prove it. You're beautiful. Come on, come on, come on and touch me, Lake Tahoe. Can't you see that I am not afraid? What was that promise that you made? Come on now. Why won't you tell me what she said? What was that promise that you made? Lake Tahoe, I'm looking at you. Now I'm gonna love you till the stars fall from the sky. That's not the right lyric, but that's okay, Lake Tahoe. I love you, because you know why? I'm gonna love you till the stars fall from the sky for you and I. Oh, thank you, thank you. Tip your wait staff. Ow!
Be ready, grab a brush.
Give me a hell, give me a yeah! Let's paint right now! Have y'all ever been to Lake Tahoe? This here painting is of Emerald Bay at Lake Tahoe. It is beautiful. I went there last summer again with my family. If you want to go, let me tell you, bring your patience and some good tunes because it is packed with tourists. So many. It was fun. It'll be fine. I start with the majestic purple mountains. I used to try to use a palette knife for my mountains, just like good old Bob does, but I'm trying to get away from that. I want to use my brush for everything. You know, using a palette knife almost feels like it's cheating, just a little bit. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. The important part here is that we get our values right. The mountains need to be a little hazy blue. The purple gets that done. The isthmus of land in the middle backgrounds need to have the right color green. I use Sap Green with a little Alizarin Crimson to kick back the saturation a little bit. The darkest I want to go for shadows back there is Sap Green straight from the tube, but probably not actually. It's too saturated. What goes without saying is the foreground is the only place I'm going to use black. I cheat. In art school, they told me you need to mix your black. Well, that's not true. My professor was really cool. She said it would help with our mixology and figuring out how to mix colors and all that fun stuff. But she said that she used black straight out of the tube. And you know what? I do too. It is good practice though. So if you haven't done it before, I suggest doing it. It'll help. I also use photographs as references. I know, right? I am the worst. Woo! They say plein air is the best to get realistic results, but what can I say? It's not my bag. I like my studio. Surely I didn't get it all decked out for nothing, eh? But what do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Do you like plein air? Also, if you use black out of the tube, hit that like button. If you mix your black from other colors, well, hit the like button too, but leave a comment with the formula you use. When I mixed, I used yellow ochre, I used Alizarin Crimson and Ultramarine Blue, and it gave me a nice black. But like I said, I cheat and go from the tube. And here I am being a hypocrite. I wanted big, full, craggy rocks, and the knife gave it to me. The variation is just, it's nice and it's quick, man. And I'm just going to keep going until I find shapes I like, and then I'm going to add highlight and shadow where appropriate. The light source is top right. Ah, yes, the island in the center of the lagoon. I like to think it's a pirate island. I think it's private. You can't go on there. If the zombie apocalypse goes down, that is the place to go, my friend. Unless zombies can swim. That would suck. It's like my biggest plan. Find an island, get to it. Tahoe is super deep, though. Like, super deep. So deep that when I was a kid, they said there was no bottom and that it went on forever. There was even our own beast in the lake. Tahoe Tessie, they called her. Our own Nessie. How fun is that? It's over 1,900 feet deep at its deepest point. You guys, that's freaking deep! So don't worry about zombies if you go to Pirate Island in Emerald Bay at Lake Tahoe. Alright, let's get some trees in this bad boy. Make sure to observe the golden ratio when you place them. And for goodness sake, spend more time on your painting than I did on mine. Jeez. If I use a fan brush for my pine trees, I need to be careful that I don't make the needles and branches too uniform. It's real easy to make that mistake when using the fan brush. I said don't make them uniform, you fool! Oh well, screw it. Try not to if you're following along at home. And what forest scene is complete without some brush to place the things I'm painting into the painting? That's nice. Then it's time for some finishing touches on the water and the island. And we are fine. If you follow along at home, make sure to send me a copy. My email is in the description. Till then, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, everyone.